Hi folks, this is Sasi Bob from weeklyoptionplace.com. Welcome back to the weekly wrap up. So let's get started with the weekly wrap up for the concluding week, November 22nd. Overall, I gave around 14 picks, and out of which 10 picks have given gains to subscribers, and 4 picks or losses. So have 71.5 percentage of accuracy in the concluding week. So let's get started with the Monday picks. So Monday I have issued around 5 picks: SLV, CTSH, Mastercard, Gold, and LinkedIn. So first pick I have issued is SLV 20.5 calls. So I have altered this pick when SLV is around 0.11 cents, but this couldn't go to the upside, and it actually hit south, and I couldn't gain anything from this pick, and this is a total loss pick. So the first pick I have issued in the weekly is total loss. The second pick I have issued is Cognizant Technology Solutions, CTSH, when CTSH is at 95, and then I gave 92 puts at 0.6, and actually it worked out very well, and it hit 92.5. At that point I have altered my subscribers to sell it, so it gave around 50% of gains to the subscribers. So that's a CTSH for you. And the next pick I have in the weekly is Mastercard 765 calls. So I altered this pick when Mastercard is around 753, and on the same day this pick has gone till 760, at which we got around 50% gains on this pick. So this is a winning pick in the weekly. So that's Mastercard for you. And the next pick I have is Gold 126 calls. So this pick ended up as a total loss pick in the weeklies, which actually went down till 121. So this is a total loss pick in the weeklies. So the fifth pick I have given is LinkedIn 240 calls. So expected this pick to carry on the momentum, and this pick has actually went into a selling mode, and it is a total loss pick in the weekly. So LinkedIn is a total loss. And next pick, pick number 6 is Facebook 46.5 calls. So I have altered this pick when Facebook is around 45.8. So we entered into this peak when Facebook has gapped down. It went into the it went down from 47 to 45, so 45.8. So at this point we took an entry, and we are able to sell at 47.5 for 100% gains. So Facebook 47.5 calls is a winning pick in the weeklies, so it gave 100% gains. So that's pick 6 in the weeklies. So next pick I have is Baidu 170 calls. So this Baidu 170 calls I have given market Baidu open at 0.7, and we were able to sell it when Baidu hit 166.5. So it gave around 30% gains. So the Baidu is a winning pick in the weekly. So pick number 7 is a winning pick. And let's go to the pick number 8. So IBM 185 calls. So IBM, last week it was able to go past 180 mark, and it ended up 184 to start in the week. So I altered when IBM is around 184, and it actually went till 186.24, at which at that point we took the gains from the table, and we almost got around 150 to 200% gains on this pick. So that's IBM 185 calls for you. And next pick I have is the winning pick, Selge 155 calls. So Selj has been a home run pick in all my previous weeks except 1 or 2 weeks. This pick has given wins almost every week that I have listed, that I have given in the weeklies. So Selj 155 calls, I have given around 152.5, and we were able to take initial gains at 157, 158, and on Friday it hit the max of 164, almost giving like 800% gains to the subscribers. So this is the number one pick in the week, which gave the most highest gains in the weeklies. So that's sales for you. The next pick I have in the weeklies is Tesla 130 calls. So initially I have given another pick when Tesla hit 117. I thought Tesla will be going sliding down till 100. So I gave that pick and that didn't give any gains. So we sold that pick when Tesla was able to consolidate at 120 area, 120 range, and then we entered this peak on 122, and quickly in 1 2 hours Tesla was able to reach 129. So this gave almost like a 150% gains to subscribers. So this took off all the losses we had on the earlier peak, Tesla 100 puts. So Tesla 130 calls is a winning pick in the weeklies. So next pick I have given the week is the forex signal Euro USD. It's a short side. We entered at at point 1.3354, and it went down till almost like 1.34. So it's almost like 100 pips we're able to gain out of this play. So that's Euro USD signal, photo signal. So this is also a winning pick in the weeklies. So the next pick I have in the weeklies is SCTY 45.5 puts. So SCTY it is actually in a downside move. It is actually making a downside move, and we captured that downside momentum, and let us speak when SCTY is around 48, and within 1 2 hours we are able to hit that 45.5 at which at that point I have helped the subscribers to take the gains off, and I was quickly able to gain 100% gains in this pick. So SCTY is a winning pick in the weeklies. So the next pick I have is Apple of 525 calls. So Apple it was around 519 when I entered 525 calls, but unfortunately it couldn't get past 522 in the weeklies, and it is a winning. I'm sorry, it's a losing pick in the weeklies. So we lost around 50% on this pick. So that's Apple 525 for you. And the next I have is SPY 178.5 puts. So Dow Jones have hit. It has hit 16,000, and it went above 16,000. And on Wednesday, actually, on Wednesday, Dow Jones has come down below 16,000, and it hit 15,950 and below mark. So at which at that point we were able to gain almost 200% gains. SPY fell down from 179.8 to almost to 178.5. So we entered at 0.33, and we are able to sell it at 0.94, almost like 200% gains on this peak. So that's SPY 178.5 puts for you. So that's all in the weeklies. We have around 14 picks. So if you notice, the first 5 picks we started on the wrong foot on Monday. Only 2 picks are winners. The rest 3 are total loss picks. So from pick 6 onwards to pick 14, continuously, for consequent 7 picks I have given winners. and if you remove Apple 525 calls, all 8 picks out of 9 are the winners. So we ended up the week with more wins. Actually, we had 10 wins and only 4 picks are losing picks. So we had accuracy of 71.5. So that's the weekly wrap up for this week. And next week we are going to have a short week due to Thanksgiving and Black Friday. So we'll be having only 4 trading days. So I'll be issuing picks. I'll not be issuing a full 14 picks in the week. I'll try to issue around 10 to 9. 9 to 10 picks. And as always, we'll shoot for 70 plus accuracy in the week. And if you're interested, and to subscribe to weeklyoptionplace.com, you can visit my website at weeklyoptionplace.com. In the subscription page, you can subscribe to the plan which you're interested at, and send out an email so that you can get started with the weekly picks. So that's the weekly wrap up for you, and have a great holiday season next week. And see you all next week for the next week's weekly wrap up on November 29th weekly wrap up. Thank you.